Before starting Liquid Death, Mike Cessario worked as a creative director for large companies like Apple, Nestle, and even Netflix, where he developed the marketing materials for various shows such as Narcos, Stranger Things, and House of Cards. However, he felt restricted in his level of creativity while working with these corporate organizations, which turned down most of his marketing ideas and strategies for being too edgy and too controversial. Not happy with being so limited, he left the corporate world to work on his own products and marketed them with his own unique approach. And his first product idea? Liquid Death, a healthy water brand with an unhealthy name. But why sell canned water? Well, in 2009, Mike attended the Vans Warped Tour music festival to watch a few of his friends' bands perform live. He noticed that all performers had a can of Monster Energy beside them at all times, and were gulping down cans of highly caffeinated energy drink all throughout the show, which was incredibly unhealthy. After the show, Mike asked his friends why they had taken so many Monster Energy drinks, only to find out that the brand Monster Energy had sponsored the event. And as per their sponsorship agreements, all performers had to have a can of Monster Energy with them. What was even more surprising was that the artists were not actually drinking Monster Energy drink. They had replaced the energy drink with water, so they could stay hydrated during the show while still following the sponsorship agreement. At this discovery, it hit Mike. Why not create a healthy substitute to energy drinks that heavy metal fans could relate to? Why not take the healthiest product in the market, but brand it in a cool and edgy way? Why not sell mountain water in an energy drink can? Mike thought to himself, and the idea for Liquid Death was born. However, Mike waited a decade before acting on it,